Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Marvel channel. So in this video we will learn about how to delay the JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most important factor for the website page speed, and that is also causing your slowness in your Google ranking as well if you maintain it in the proper way. So in this video we will learn about that. Okay, let's get started. So here we need to understand where this JavaScript is loading and what all the pages if it has been causing any errors, that we need to check it out here. If I go to this page speed, so we can see there is a page speeds which is very less, and which is causing some of the JavaScripts onto these pages. So I'll just take this link over here, and I'll open it in the dev tool. So I'll go to the dev tool, developer tool. So in this one, so you have to go through this, and you just have to control P. So here you have to write coverage. So the coverage is already open here, as you can see. This is the best method where you can identify the page speed of the website. I just loaded the page over here. So as I can see, some of this pages has been loaded. As you can see, that is in the right side, the red and green. The red is that available space, and green which is been consumed space. Okay, so it has a more space here in the red, and which is actually we have to make changes over here, but I'm not going to change in the website design or maybe in the JavaScript. I just delay the JavaScript, and this is essential things for to the website, and I don't want to get make the disturbing onto the pages. So this these two things has been loading more faster before the website, so that causing the LCP. Okay, so that we have to fix it onto this. So to fix this all things, so we can just use it for WP Rocket. In the WP Rocket, one methods you can use it that you can go to the plugin area and then use it WP Rocket. In the WP Rocket, you will have the option of delaying the JavaScript. So as of many people knows about delaying the JavaScript, here as well you can delay the JavaScript. Okay, and if not, if you don't have any WP Rocket and still you want to make it faster, then two plugins we have that you can use it. One plugin is your Flying Script. Flying Script is one of the famous plugin. Flying Script, you can use this plugin, Flying Script. So I just download this Flying Script, and I will show you how to fix this delaying of JavaScript. So when you are using a Flying Script, you have to disable the delay JavaScript in the WP Rocket. You should not use both this thing. So you have to go to the setting, and very simple settings are available for this. As you can see, these are the include keyword, timeout, and disable pages. Okay, so I just go to this dev tool, as I shown you that the page loaded over here, and in this one the first is here load.js and the DL.js. These are the both things which is been causing. So you can use it this as well, these keywords. If it is a giant keyword, I just copy and put it here, one line, one word for the one line. So then again NTV. Okay, so how much time you want to delay this JavaScript, if it is 1 second to 10 second or never. So 5 seconds, if you put it, the after 5 seconds the script will be start loading, and if you don't want that to be get loaded after 5 seconds, and you just put it for the never. Here in the never, in the case what happens whenever that user makes changes or maybe modifies the mouse cursor over here, if he's make any movements on the page, so automatically the JavaScript will start loading onto this, and then after make the save changes, and your JavaScript will start applying on this your pages. Okay, the another method is that going to the again into the plugin area, and I just deactivate this. And take one more plugin here, just deactivating for this one and deleting. So I'm going to the other one is the Meteor. The Meteor is one of the best plugin as compared to the other earlier one. This is the one where you can Meteor page speed optimizing. As you can see this. Okay, the Meteor is just open. And if you are focusing on only on LCP optimizations only, so you can use this method, so you don't have to put it any codes or anything. And exclusion here, exclusion where the keywords where you don't want that to be delays over here and quickly you want to open it, and that you can make it the exclusion here. So that will come to the main onto the pages and quickly it will open. And Elementor, that also you can use it if you have been any animations kind of run on your pages or anything which is there onto this is an additional option which you can explore it. And this is settings which just has to be put it if you're focusing on only NCP, keep it 0, and if you want to put it delay until the first interaction, then you can make the changes. Okay, and once you do this changes, then after come back here, and then again you start loading onto this, and definitely this loading of this after the pages, and this will get reduced here. It will not get exactly the reducing, but it will make changes over here. So it will load it first, the website will load it, and then later on these things are loading. As you can see, this is delayed onto this for some of the seconds, and this will get loaded. Okay, so if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. Okay, thanks for watching. Keep watching our videos. Thank you so much.